Welcome to G-Tex Designs. This episode we will be building part 5-29, the Piston Rod Gland Seal for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Let's get building. Welcome. Let's build part 5-29, Piston Rod Gland Seal for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Okay, we're going to do right plane, sketch. We're going to do a line. It's going to be from, actually that's going to be the center. So we go from there to there to there. Just like a little piece thing across. We're going to make that line. Oh, yeah, that line will be construction. Now, it is going to be, what we do, that, and that point will be vertical. These two will be horizontal. This one, the bottom three, the two there, and that one which I missed, it's going to be vertical as well. There we go. Now, smart dimension. It's going to be 4.5 across. So it's going to be 4.5. So from there up to there, 2.4. Okay. Another technique you can do to make it even. You know, this should not, yeah, can still move across. So, I've still got a lot to learn. So 4.5, there you go, that's set. Now the height will be, from this point to this point, will be 17.5 divided by 2. And this point to this point, or virtually that line, will be 11 divided by 2. There we go. That is good. So now we want to do a feature resolve. Hold on. Yeah, do resolve boss. We've got to do a hole in the middle, but do resolve boss first. Sketch is currently open, non-thin line. Oh, okay. Whoop, made a mistake. Actually, it might work. Might work. Axis line will be clear U. That's gonna be axis line. No. It has to be, sorry, that has to be, I'm pretty sure. That one there's got to be non-construction. There we go. So now if we do resolve boss, that one there will be there. There we go. So that's non-construction. It's got to be closed in. Okay. There we go. Look at that. Beautiful. Now, this one here is going to be normal 2, sketch, and it's going to be a circle. That circle will be 11. So technically I could just bounce straight across. I could have done the triangle. I could have closed in. So let me do it both ways. So that's going to go through, feature, through, nope, sorry. Next the other one. Through color element. Through all and done. There you go. So that's that way. Let me just save that quickly. Okay, let me just go back. Get rid of that one. So let me go into this one. Let me do an edit. Now we're going to change that one to construction line, if this works. That one construction line, and that one construction line. Now we're going to put one from here to there. It's now closed in, and then exit out. There you go. Same one. So you just saved a step. So that probably would be the best way to do it. Either one's correct. So I'm going to go with that way. I can close down. And there. So let's go to is that the one I want? Yes, it is. Appearances, color. Open up. Rubber. What? What's it called? Teflon. Is that a search feature? No, it's not by the looks. Dang it. Would be nice. Oh. Ah, that one. Yeah, that's good. That's good. It's Teflon, but that's good. That is done. That is part 5-29, the Piston Rod Gland Seal for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Thank you for coming along. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Click the like button, comment, subscribe. I'll see you next time. Remember, keep building.